Ever feel like you're drowning in research? Articles piled up, notes everywhere. What if instead of pulling an all-nighter, you could just listen to a quick conversation summarizing everything important?
That would be amazing.
Right. Well, that's the magic of NotebookLM, this brand new tool from Google Labs.
Oh yeah, just dropped.
Yeah, like just last week. And we're taking a deep dive into it today. Basically, it's like turning information overload into your own personal podcast, audio summary, but way cooler because it uses your own stuff.
Love that.
So it's called NotebookLM. Is it just a fancy note-taking app?
Not quite. It's more like having your own AI expert who's read everything you have. So you upload your documents, research papers, meeting notes, presentations, whatever. NotebookLM doesn't just store them. It actually reads and understands the information.
Okay, so it's organizing my messy notes.
Yeah, way more than that. The really cool part is it uses your source material when it answers your questions. Like, it pulls direct quotes, citations, all that, so you know it's not just making stuff up.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah.
You're not just trusting some random AI. It's giving you answers straight from the sources you choose. No more skimming for hours, underlining everything, hoping you caught the main point.
Yeah, it's like...
And, get this, they've been busy over at Google. Global rollout this summer, supercharged it with this Gemini 1.5 AI. There's even fact-checking now.
Wild, right?
Definitely a game changer.
Yeah.
But you know what the real star of the show is?
What's that?
Audio overviews.
Ooh, tell me more.
Okay, so you hit a button and bam, your own personalized audio summary. But it's not just like bullet points. It's like a conversation between experts, just like what we're doing right now. Wow, so instead of me reading a dry summary, I can listen to a conversation that brings the information to life.
Exactly. Imagine you're trying to get through this dense research paper, upload it, and the AI creates a back and forth discussion summarizing everything, connecting different themes, even throws in a little banter just like us.
That's amazing.
And of course it's downloadable, so you can listen anywhere on your commute, at the gym, whatever. Perfect for auditory learners, right?
Absolutely. Now, I do have to say, this is all very new. Still experimental, right?
Yeah, fresh out of the lab.
Right. So, got to manage those expectations a little. Like right now, it's only in English.
True. And look, like with any new tech, there's always room for improvement. That's why user feedback is so crucial, especially with cutting-edge AI. The more people who use it, the better it gets. But even still, the potential here is massive. Think about it. You can digest complex information in a way that's tailored for you.
That's really exciting. And speaking of digesting information, little meta moment here, this very deep dive that we're doing right now. Yeah, we use NotebookLM to help us prepare.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, we fed it the official Google blog post announcing this feature, hit that audio overview button, and bam, instant outline for our discussion. Pretty wild, right?
That's incredible. I think everyone listening should try it themselves.
Totally. Head over to NotebookLM, upload a document, and just see what it can do.
It's mind-blowing.
Now, it makes you wonder, what if this is just the beginning?
What do you mean?
Like, what if in the future, you could have personalized audio essays based on your notes, AI debate prep using your research, even like fictional dialogues based on your stories?
I didn't even think about that.
Right. The future of learning, and maybe even entertainment, is about to get very, very interesting.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into NotebookLM. Until next time.